how to fix screen rotation not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. If you want to restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so go to app library. Here scroll down and click on settings. Click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity option, click on reset setting and enter your phone pin. Click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen rotation not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.